DARE is a European-funded project which provides a holistic view on wildfire risk management and flood risk management too. It gives a global view on several stakeholders, citizen awareness and culture, risk culture, cities and decision makers, responders, and of course technologies. Logically, Valabre, as an application school of fire departments, will target the responders' issue, the responders' training, and the responders' knowledge. The main idea is to increase interoperability when international commitment or aid is activated. So to achieve these goals of increasing interoperability, Valabre will organize a training next year, an international training. But before that, we want to validate the concept and the ideas that will be implemented during this training. So at the end of the month of June and beginning of July this year, we have a trial on 3 days here in Valabre to, of course, to present the ideas, sustaining the program, the course program, of course, but also of the integration of the technologies during this course. The main idea, in a nutshell, is to use the extraordinary VR facility, which is a simulator in Valabre, allowing to involve 14 international officers on the same simulated disaster. Valabre is a key player in this DARE project because it provides 2 pillars. The first pillar is a theoretical pillar with past research and scientific publications on the idea that there is a room to increase interoperability for international commitment in civil protection forces by exchanging operational knowledge. And the second pillar, above knowledge, is the facility providing a simulator, a virtual reality facility, allowing to train together in simultaneity a lot of international officers. About the tools used during this trial and the training. Of course, there is the simulation device of Valabre, the VR site, but also the use of a dashboard. The dashboard, the DARE's dashboard, is an IT tool, web-based, where you can have the technical informations of the affected country. For example, the wildfire best practices used in this country, and also permanent risk and situation assessment through satellite or cell-based information.